So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your password in Quibi, and I'm also going to show you how to reset your password if you have forgotten it. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Quibi app, and then you want to click on your profile icon in the top right. Once you've done this, you want to click on My Account, and then you want to click on Change Password. From here you want to enter in your current password at the top, then enter in your new password twice and click on Save Changes at the bottom. Now if you don't know your password to your Quibi account, the process is going to be slightly different. So the first thing you want to do is click on Sign In at the very bottom, and then you want to go ahead and enter in your email address to your Quibi account. So once you've entered in your email address, you'll then be asked to enter your password. But if you've forgotten your password, you want to click on Forgot Password just underneath the typing area. And here it's going to say Send Reset Link, so you want to click on that. So you want to go to the email that Quibi has just sent you to reset your password, and it should look something like this. Once you're on it, you want to click on Reset Password. You'll then be taken to a web page that looks like this, where you can go ahead and enter in your new password twice. Once you've done this, just click on the Next button at the bottom, and your password will be successfully changed. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. You can also support the channel by donating a copy of the link below. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.